Akweke-rima, akweke-rima. Akweke-rima, akweke-rima. Queen Mother is akweke-rima. Queen Mother, fight orina. Queen Mother, akweke.
Dorima, Dorima.
Long live.
My grandmother.
You all are welcome, my beautiful princesses. My peace you all shall have. May you introduce yourselves according to what you represent.
My name is Olema, the princess of thunder. I strike in fury when provoked.
My name is Sisioma, the great eagle. I soar higher than any other creature, and I see that which none can see. The world lies right under my feet.
I am Mirima, the princess of the water. I make no enemy, but whoever that steps on my toes, I shall swallow.
My name is Adama, the princess of the sun. I shine unto all nations, but when provoked, I melt away my enemies.
I am Apugo, the queen of pythons. My soft courage does not represent weakness, but strength. I might look soft, but when provoked, no one can withstand my venom.
It gladdens my heart that my beautiful princesses are well represented.
What a beautiful maiden. Hello, beautiful maiden. Do you have a name? Talk to me.
Stop following me else you will get hurt.
Getting hurt by the scorching sunshine or getting soaked by the rain does not matter to me. What matters to me is for you to be my friend. Beautiful. Who did she go to? Beautiful maiden!
This abacha and granite, eh? Hey! It's very sweet.
Let me test you.
Longer throat.
Mama.
You are not throat. I know that if I say this now, you like to take.
Mama, let me take small now. My hands.
Hold your this one. Don't touch it so.
Mama!
Mama, this is stingy. You are just being stingy.
Mama!
Oh, Abarukum. Welcome.
Mama, you have to guess.
You know your mother is not good.
Mama, you have to guess this one, no.
This one you are very happy today.
Please tell me about it.
Mama, I have seen a maiden that I want to marry.
Hey!
Tell me about her.
Are you
Who
serious?
is she? What is her name? Who is her parents?
Mama,
From which
relax. You are asking too many questions, Mama. I just met her today for the first time. Yes, I am just taking my time to know her, Mama. By the time I get to know her better, I'll bring her home.
You just met her today. How are you sure that she's the one you want to
Mama,
marry?
she's the one for me.
Okay, I can't wait to see her.
Eh.
You see what? Just try and make inquiries. Know who her father is, her mother, their village and everything. You know you are the first son and the only son of this family. So you need to do everything to get married.
Mama, you don't have to remind me. You
Mama.
don't have to.
I have told Agaba times without number to stop going after every maiden that he crosses path with. Some of these maidens are possessed. Some of them belongs to a dangerous coven that he doesn't know. I just want you to be very careful so you don't fall a victim.
Listen, my sister, you see this very maiden? She's so beautiful. She can't even hurt a fly. Yes, Mama. Hey! She's so beautiful, Mama.
See, your sister may be right. You have to listen to her and be careful. And that's the more reason you should find out her village, her parents, and everything.
Her name, most importantly.
I'll do that, Mama.
It's okay.
Let me go and drop her.
Wait, come and take more now.
Mama, I need to rest. I'll be back.
Okay.
You are welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Mama, look at this thing now.
Oh.
Look at, it's just come. Hey, Mama.
Onyoshi, thief. I know. If you did not eat this, you will not be Minima again. Longer throat.
Thank you.
Agua, Mama, why don't you want to eat your food? The yam is very delicious. It's fresh. And the oil is sweet.
I do not have appetite.
I don't understand. Is that supposed to be an answer? What? But tell me something else you want to eat so that I can quickly prepare for you. I don't have appetite. It shouldn't be an answer.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Sister is fond of selecting food. You know, you were here when I said I can quickly prepare something for her else to eat. Apart from this yam. I don't know why she's picky with food.
Mama, me too, I don't understand though. It is either she's eating just fruits or nothing at all. I don't even understand her sometimes.
Why would you say something about that? It's natural, some people are like that. They are picky with food. So why is her own different?
Mama, you know that sometimes I begin to wonder if she is possessed.
May the gods forbid. Why will you say that about your own blood sister? Huh? Why will you make such an expensive remark about your blood sister? Who possessed her? You? Or what? Can I stop? If you want to finish the whole yam by yourself, finish it. Nobody's dragging it with you.
Mama, why are you sounding like that now? I only said what I have.
You too, what have you observed? Don't observe things like that.
Okay. Mama, but then, this yam is very, very sweet.
Enjoy. Your nasty remark about your blood sister. This yam is very sweet. Finish it. She's dragging it with you.
I can finish it too.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Beautiful one, we meet again. I beg you to tell me your name at least, please. Wait! How did she get there so quickly? Beautiful one, wait! Wait for me! Wait, please. Beautiful one. Wait. Hey! Beautiful one. Snake. Beautiful one. Snake. Beautiful one. Snake. Hey! 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 Ah! Ah! Snake! Snake! Oh! Snake! Snake! Oh! Ah! Snake! Snake! Ah!
I told you to stop following me, but you wouldn't listen. Let me drop the water in your mouth. Then you will leave.
Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Beautiful one.
Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Mama! Mama!
Ogene.
Mama!
What is it? Why are you calling my name like that?
Mama, did you see my fowl?
No, I didn't see it. Did you keep it in my care?
Mama, so why can't I find my fowl?
Look for it very well. I don't know. Why are you sounding like that?
Mama, how can we be in this house and my fowls just keep missing one after another?
Go search for it very well. Maybe it's strayed. I don't know. You didn't keep it in my care.
Akugo, did you see my fowl anywhere?
No.
Go and search for it.
See, just no. So we will be in this house. No.
Why don't you go look for it? Why are you behaving as if it's me or Akugo that took it?
Mama, this thing cannot continue. My fowl every time. I keep searching for it. Where did I even keep it?
Keep it well. Next time, keep it well. Fowls you did not keep in anybody's care. It could stray and mix with other fowls and come back later in the day. I don't know why you're behaving like this, as if I stole the fowl.
Now, welcome.
Greetings.
What is wrong with him? He looks so angry.
Mama, I don't know. He looks so worried.
Let's go and find out what the problem is.
Very well, Mama. I'm coming.
Why is she doing this to me? Why is she so unreachable? Why is she giving me this emotional frustration? Why?
My son, who is tearing your heart into shreds?
Brother, confide in us. Who is she?
I don't know whom she is. She refused to come close. Yet, my heart grieves to have her.
Any maiden that refuses to come close to you means nothing to you. I advise you, move on with your life. Forget about her. There are many fishes in the river.
Exactly.
I was bitten by a dangerous snake today.
What? Snake?
Yes, Mama. Just when the venom was about to suck the daylight out of me, she appeared from nowhere and healed me.
What? Do you mean she disappeared?
I can't tell, Mother.
But brother, according to your story, this maiden is mysterious and she's not good for you. I advise you to forget everything about her.
My son, your sister is right. Any maiden that is not close to you, such a maiden could be so dangerous to you. It's better you stay away from her.
Mama, my heart grieves for her personality. She's the kind of a maiden I would like to spend the rest of my life with.
Then go close to her, win her heart, then bring her home. That's all.
My son, in that case, you don't have a problem. Just calm down and be at peace with yourself. Everything will fall into place.
Mama! 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 Akugo! Mama! Mama!
Gịnị? Gịnị kwa? Nna! What is the matter? Why are you this worried? What is the problem? Can you at least talk to me?
Mama, I am very troubled. Oh. I am very troubled. I went for hunting. I caught a big grass cutter. I brought it back home. I kept it right here. Out of excitement, I went back of the hut to call you and Akugo. I saw nobody there. I got back now. I can't find my catch. Where is my grass cutter, Mama? I can't find it. It was right here. I can't find it anymore. I have searched everywhere. I can't find it.
What is the meaning of this? Who could have taken the grass cutter? Just us in this hut. We don't have neighbors. So what could have happened to the grass cutter you came home with?
Mama, first my chickens. All gone, one by one, finished. Now, my own cat, my grass cutter, that I suffered to catch in the bush.
Ekene, I think a wild animal is doing this. I believe it's a snake. There are snakes around this hut, and giant ones at that. Which snake will be able to swallow a grass cutter?
A very big one. Mama, I think you are right. There is a wild animal. A snake, as you suggested. I have a plan.
Which is?
I am going to set a trap for that snake. And I will catch it.
It's a very good idea. I want you to do that. I think it's the best thing to do. I believe your trap will be able to catch a big animal, possibly an antelope this time, at least to compensate you for all your losses. I'm sorry about that. Don't worry about it. I know, Mom. Okay. I know how you feel. But let it go. Please help me carry my take the basket to the back of the hut for me. It's very heavy. Please? I don't have perfectly done. Sorry about it.
What happened to you?
No, Gini.
Talk to us now. You're making us nervous. What is it?
Oh, I just woke up with a nagging pain on my left hand.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry. Sorry, my child.
I thought it was something serious.
I can only shut your mouth. So the pain is not something serious. Are you the one feeling the pain? So if you were the one feeling the pain, she wouldn't have said sorry to you.
Mama, she's going to be fine. Let me go back to what I was doing.
Go back to whatever nonsense you were doing. Sorry, my child. I hope it's not too serious.
Ah!
Let me massage it for you.
No.
Sorry. Sorry, Nem, sorry. Sorry.
Greetings, great sisterhood. According to the tradition of our great sisterhood, I present the blood of my newly married husband.
You have done noble, Isioma. Now listen to me, all of you. None of you should forget to sacrifice your husband a night before your traditional marriage. The blood of your groom shall be sacrificed. The more you make sacrifices, the more stronger and powerful you become. beautiful princesses, I present to you all the sacrificial lamb.
Please wait, talk to me. Beautiful one, please.
Beautiful one, please, talk to me. Beautiful one, please. Talk to me, please. You saved my life when I was got bitten by the snake. Please, talk to me.
Stop following me. We are not of the same world. I have told you before. Stop!
Beautiful one, please. Wait. At least let me know your name, please.
Akugo.
Akugo, thank you. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you. Thank you.
I cannot leave you, my love, you are everything to me. No matter what, I will stick with you.
On our way home, we get firewood.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings to both of you. Young maiden, you possess this beauty that is not common among other maidens. Your beauty is original. Your beauty is exceptional. And I must agree with my instinct that you are the most beautiful creature that I have ever come across.
Thank you.
Whose daughter are you?
I'm the daughter of late Obunka.
Late Obunka. I shall come to see your people later on.
My prince, it will be a great honor to receive you as our guest.
Very well done. Farewell.
Farewell, my prince.
Cause you mean everything to me. No matter what, I will stick with you. All of my love.
Oh, welcome back, my children.
Hey, Baba.
How did it go?
Mama, guess what?
What is it, Dikeh? What happened? Did anything happen?
Beautiful news. Mama Royalty is on his way to our household.
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
Akugo has found favor in the eyes of the prince.
How? I don't understand.
Mama, as we were coming back from the farm, our path crossed with the prince. He stopped us. He made his intention very clear about my sister. Mama, guess what?
I don't even know what to say.
He said he is coming to see her people. Do you know what this means? He wants to come and marry her.
That's a good thing. But we cannot conclude yet. We have to wait for him to come around to make his intention known to us. Before then, let us fold our arms and wait.
Mama, we have to be positive because I cannot wait to be part of the royal family.
That is our humble prayer.
Yes.
Go to the kitchen and carry your food and eat.
Okay, thank you. Like I was telling you, I am very sure the prince will keep his word.
Greetings, my prince.
May the peace of the gods be unto this household.
And also with you, my prince. My prince, it is said a toad is usually not seen in broad daylight. But whenever it is like that, it is either the toad is chasing after a prey or something is chasing after it. My prince, be your presence usher fortune in our path.
Indeed, the gods of our land have remembered this family. Your beautiful daughter Akugo has found favor in my eyes. Therefore, I have come to speak to her.
Let me fetch her at once.
Greetings, Your Majesty, the future queen of this kingdom.
Where is that one coming from? Ekene, leave me alone.
Why? Guess what? Guess.
What?
The prince is here for you.
What?
Yes. He's asking after you. Come with me. Come, let's go. Make sure you look beautiful.
Serious?
Oh, yeah. Just look good, eh?
Greetings, the most beautiful maiden in our kingdom. Your awesome personality has endeared you to my heart. Therefore, I have come to make my intentions known to you with all of this. And also with this bag containing 1,000 pieces of cows.
I am honored to be chosen amongst other maidens in this kingdom. But with regret in my heart, I wish to inform you that I am not interested.
What?
Please leave with your gifts and your cowries. I will go now.
Mama. Let me get her. Akugo!
Akugo!
What is wrong with you? Mama?
What was the meaning of that? How can you embarrass and humiliate the prince that much? What has come over you?
You call it embarrassment and humiliation?
Of course, that is what it is.
Why? Are you saying that I do not have the right to reject the prince? Why? Is he not human? Nay. I will reject whoever I do not like. And you, or you, nobody is forcing me to marry the prince.
Something must be wrong with you in this your small squad. Is your brain functioning? Listen, you must marry him. Let me tell you something. You must. I am not asking you.
Then stop me. Make me marry him, or you marry him.
Mama, did you just see
This girl.
What would you have me do? Kill her? Is it no better we give her time to think? Maybe she may change her mind. But forcing her will not yield anything if you ask me 1,000,000 times.
Mama, all I know is we are not going to lose out on this royal connection.
Maybe it's better you marry the prince.
My son, you are not looking happy. What is bothering you?
Father, the worst has happened. I was humiliated today by a commoner in this kingdom.
Someone humiliated you? And who is that person that humiliated my son, the prince of the kingdom? Who is that?
Her name is Akugo, the daughter of late Obunka. She found favor in my eyes, and when I went to make my intention known to her, she turned me down blatantly. She has left a scar in my heart. My heart is bleeding, Father.
A commoner, Akugo, humiliated my son. Don't worry. She is nobody in this kingdom. We have more than 1,000 beautiful maidens in this kingdom. All of them are at your beck and call. Take your time. Choose a beautiful one and make her your bride.
You will not understand how it feels, Father. That young maiden, Akugo, is the only one that has found favor in my eyes. She is the only one that has won my heart. No one else.
Don't worry, my son. You will come over it. Just take your time. Be a man.
You know this song? Akweko rima, akweko rima, do rima rima, do rim. Akweko rima, do rima rima, do rim. Maiga je kwenu ni kwe rima, do rima rima, do rim. Anu weru bene sorayo rima, do rima rima, do unkene weru bene sonayo rima.
Greetings to you all.
Greetings.
Greetings. Who are you and what do you seek?
I'm here to see your sister, Akugo.
Akugo? Do you know him?
I saw a ripe fruit in this household and I've come to pluck it. Akugo, I have neither gold or silver, but with this grass cutter, I have come to seek your hand in marriage.
Listen, by looking at you, you do not have what it takes to marry my beautiful sister. So I would...
Speak for yourself, Ekene. What is your name?
Agaba.
I like you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Thank you for this big grass cutter.
This is all I could provide.
It is more than enough.
Thank you for appreciating it.
Farewell.
Farewell.
It is so big in there.
It is very big.
Where are you? Hey! Agogo! Are you mad? What is wrong with you? How dare you choose that poverty stinking hunter over the prince of this kingdom? Why? How? Eh? I am talking to you now, talk to me! You are walking out on me, Akugo! Look at this girl, oh! Where is this done? That my own sister finds favor in the eyes of the prince and she chooses poverty over riches. Are we cursed? My family is supposed to live. Akugo! You must marry the prince! Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama! 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 Mama!
The beautiful maiden I told you about has finally accepted to marry me, Mama.
Hey!
That's
Oh,
good
I'm
news.
so happy, Mama.
Thanks be to the gods.
Yes, Mama, thanks be to the God that this beautiful maiden has finally accepted to marry me, Mama. I'm so happy.
And I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
So, what is the name of this beautiful maiden you're talking about?
My sister, don't bother yourself because a name cannot describe how beautiful she is. Yes, but don't worry. Very soon I'll bring her home and introduce her to Mama. Yes.
Very well then. I can't wait to see her.
Mama, guess what? We need to celebrate these good tidings. Yes, this
You're
calls for a
It
celebration.
calls for celebration.
Mama. Please
eh?
bring my favorite.
Minima.
Yes.
Go and prepare your brother's favorites. Let's use it to celebrate this good news.
Yes.
No, Mama. We don't have to celebrate now.
Why?
Because we have not seen the young maiden.
Wait, are you the one to choose a wife for your brother?
Mama,
of course we
don't.
can't celebrate what we have not seen.
Listen, Mama. She's only jealous because she's my sister and I can't get married to her. I understand.
She
Go
loves
and-
you so much.
Yes, go and bring
Go
my
and
favorite.
do what I asked you to do, Biko.
Hey.
Go
Mama.
and prepare his favorite.
Mama, I'm so happy.
I'm happy.
Why are you following me, Kenneth?
Nothing. Akugo, my sister. She behaves so mysterious. Mama, I think she's possessed.
Are you mad? How many times have I warned you to stop saying this nonsense about your blood sister? She is not possessed. She's only living out her life as a maiden in this kingdom. What is wrong with you?
Mama, you don't understand. Somebody who doesn't eat, she does not eat. If she decides to eat, she eats little. Or fruits. Is that person normal?
Must everybody be like you? That doesn't get filled when eating. You eat and eat all day. Must she be like you? She's a maiden. That is her choice of eating. Is there anything wrong with that? Huh? I think you should be the one that is possessed because you're the one looking at her from that angle.
Mama, something is wrong. Something mysterious is happening.
I don't want problem in my heart. Go and apologize to her because you know if she hears this, that heart will not contain us. You know that.
I should go and apologize to her?
Yes, go and apologize. Because your own is too much. Why must you always pick on her? What did she ever do wrong to you? That she doesn't eat? Is it your stomach?
Mama, I will not apologize to her because I am her elder brother. But Mama, I am making sense. See it.
You are not making any sense. Whether you are her elder brother or younger brother, you must not choke her to death. I can see I'm very busy because you're supposed to be the one to fix this ban. And you left it for me to do because you're busy snooping around looking for gossips that are not looking for you.
Mama, so if you have to come and see this thing, Mama, I am sorry.
Go and see for yourself. I'm not interested.
Mama, something is wrong somewhere.
Get out. Etienne, leave me alone. Leave me alone! It's because you eat too much. For no cost. If not, you won't be snooping around looking for gossip that is not looking for you.
Come and see for yourself.
Ogene.
Come and see. Come. Mama, come. Hurry up. Come and see.
What?
What?
What is it? What is it? You cannot talk again. Why are you lost?
It was here now.
Then what happened? Ogene, you know your problem is overfeeding. You like food and you like it in abundance. You will eat until it starts coming out from your nose and your mouth everywhere, even from your ear. Your mates are in the bush hunting. Are you no longer a hunter? Why are you following her like that? Can't she be a maiden again? Please, stop.
Mama, it was...
It was. Keep wasn't.
What?
Mama! 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 She's the beautiful maiden I told you about. The one after my heart, Mama. The bone of my bone, the flesh upon my flesh.
Greetings, Name.
Come, my daughter. And what is your name?
My name is Akugo.
I must say, your name is as beautiful as you are.
You can say that again, Mama.
So, where are you from?
I'm from this kingdom, and Achalugo is my mother.
Achalugo. Oh, my daughter, come. My son.
Mama.
I must say, you have eyes for good things.
You can say that again, Mama.
Why don't you sit down? Let me prepare something for you to eat.
Sit.
It's, Nne, I don't think I'm hungry, but I'll just take water.
Water?
Mama Biko, get her water, Mama. Get her water, Mama. You're welcome.
I like your mother.
Thank you.
Ekene, this bag contains 100 pieces of cowries. I am giving it to you so that you will make your sister Akugo accept to be my bride. And when she finally marries me, I am going to give you another 100 pieces of cowries. Have it.
My prince, my sister is already yours. She's your wife already.
If she becomes my wife, I am going to make you a successful young man.
My prince, count it done. Thank you so much, my prince. I should be on my way.
Farewell.
Mama, greetings.
Welcome, my daughter. You look so tired.
Mama, I am really tired.
Guess what?
Mama, you know I am not good in guessing. What is it?
Just try small. Guess who was here today?
Mama, I don't know. Just tell me.
Your brother's bride was here.
My brother's bride?
Yes.
Was here?
She came today.
Where is she? Where is she, Mama?
She just left. You missed.
She just left,
Yes.
just like that.
Your brother is seeing her off.
Hey, Mama, I would have loved to see her.
She waited before she said she wants to go.
Hey. So, Mama, how is she? How does she look like?
She's beautiful, tall, dark in complexion, and pretty.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't wait to meet her.
Don't worry, tomorrow is another day, so she will be coming.
Hi.
I need to know who that person is so that my brother doesn't fall a victim. All of us, Ulima, Isioma, Onama, and Adama, are all over the places looking for the blood of young men to sacrifice.
Mirima, hey, what is the problem?
Mama, I'm fine.
Are you sure you are?
Mama, I'm okay. I am just hungry.
I cooked something for you, so go to the kitchen and carry it.
Oh, Mama, I trust you. Thank you, Mama.
It's okay, you're welcome.
My beautiful sister, the envy of every other maiden in this kingdom and beyond, the joy of every man. You are the key, my sister.
What do you want, Ekene?
I want us to talk about Prince Omenu.
What about him?
I want you to get married to him. You see, looking at you naturally, you are a born queen. So therefore, this means you have to get married to the prince and become the next queen of this kingdom. Can't you see? Look, think about the advantages. You the queen, Mama, the queen mother, myself, I'll become richer, and this lineage, our family will never know poverty.
How many cowries did he pay you to talk me into marrying him?
Cowries? Cowries?
I wish to be left alone, Ekene. I said I wish to be left alone, and I do not need you talking about me.
Think about it.
Please let us continue.
So right now you're getting married and leaving us, right?
Do not mind my brother. Okay, let's go. Olima, Adama, thank you so much for keeping me company today.
You're always welcome. We love you. Farewell.
She's a python queen. She's so powerful and so dangerous. She's a python queen. A mixture of human and spirit. She's dangerous. She's a python in human form, and nobody knows. She looks like a harmless.
Who is here? Is anyone home? Is anyone home? Greetings, Ekene.
Greetings. Who are you looking for?
Ekene, I'm here to see your sister.
You are here to see my sister?
Yes. Your sister, Kugo.
I have only one sister. Okay. Sit down. Let me get her for you.
Thank you, Kene.
No worry.
Thank you.
Sit. And come, you know. Don't worry. Let me get her for you. Hey.
What are you doing?
Ikene!
Leave!
Ogini!
Leave my house!
Please don't shoot. I'll leave.
You are still talking. If I shoot, I will shoot your Akbamu. Move! I will... Get out from here! Useless, poverty-stinking hunter! Poverty! What are you doing?
It is so big.
Will you drop it immediately? Huh?
Who are you shouting at?
It's not that useless hunter, what's his name? Agaba? Will you drop it?
I said no.
Come back here! Come back here! Money God bear me witness! My own sister! With no wisdom! You will not marry that useless hunter! Poverty all over him! And you! Agaba! Let me see you in my house again!
Leave you, my love.
Mrs. Lee.
Oh, Akugo. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are your parents?
They are fine.
Okay.
I am here to see Akapa.
I know. He's around. Agaba! Agaba! Here,
Mama!
have this.
Thank you.
Agaba!
Mama!
Mama, I'm back.
Oh, ne, welcome.
Apugo. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. What are you doing here?
This is my father's compound. What are you doing here?
Agaba is your brother.
Mama?
Agaba.
And
Kim?
your maiden is here.
Yes. Mirima.
What is it?
Wait, do you two know each other?
Yes! I know her.
Mirima, my sister. She's the one I told you about.
No, Apugo. I need to see your side now.
talking to you, Apugo! Apugo!
Nkem!
What is the problem?
No!
Nkem!
No!
Nkem!
Minima! Minima!
Apugo! Apugo!
Nkem, wait, please. Wait. Is there something I need to know? Tell me.
There is nothing you need to know. I'll talk to you later if need be.
Nkem! Nkem! Please wait! Marima! What's the meaning of what you did some minutes ago? Tell me. Is there anything I need to know? Please.
All I have to say is that stop seeing Apugo. Stop seeing her!
But why? What are your reasons?
Exactly.
She is not good for you. She is nothing but a trap of doom. A word is enough for the wise.
Minima.
Mama, did you hear your daughter? I need her to explain to me why Akugo is a bent of doom.
My son, I have already asked her the same question. But she didn't say anything.
Mama, I need her to explain to me why my Akugo is a trap of doom.
You don't need to worry. We'll go and ask her why she said that and what she meant by that.
Mama, you called me.
My daughter, what you said few minutes back there has really put worry on our hearts. Especially your brother, who is directly involved. Can you please explain to us what you mean by those words? What exactly did Akugo do? What is the problem?
Mama, what else do both of you want to hear from me? I said Apugo is not good for him. She is nothing but a trap of doom. How else do you want me to explain this, Mama?
Marima, you know how much I love Akugo. I love her so much. Saying that she's not good for me is an inconclusive statement.
So, what do you want me to say?
Hit the nail on the head! Tell me about her personality. Tell me what you don't like about her. Stop beating around the bush and trying to be static.
Marima, go straight to the point.
Mama, the point is not straight. I cannot say any further. All I know is that I have passed the message across to him. Stay away from Apugo if you don't want to die on me.
May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to my son.
My son will not die. Then let him do the needful than trying to dig unnecessary further. As a matter of fact, I am done with this conversation.
Marima.
Marima, are you walking out on me?
Marima, it's not what you think.
Then what is it, if not what you and I know?
I never meant to hurt him. I just love him.
Love him? Listen, I am not comfortable with your relationship with my brother. Leave him alone. If anything happens to him, that means my father's lineage is gone. Leave him alone.
Amirima, please, you're taking this too far. Something can be done about it.
Apugo, something can be done about it. You and I know that nothing can be done about it. Leave my brother alone. How do you want me to say it? Listen, stay away from my brother. If anything happens to my brother, I will destroy you. I will destroy you. I take my leave.
I cannot leave you, my love, all am I. You are everything to me. No matter what, I will stick with you. I cannot give up on you, my love, cause you mean everything to me.
Greetings.
Greetings again. I've been waiting for you. Kim, what is going on? What is going on between you and my sister? Please don't lie to me. Tell me the truth because I want to know. Kim, if you love me, please tell me the truth because I want to know. I want to know, please.
Your sister does not want us together. And she has threatened to deal with me if I don't leave you alone.
Kim, why? What's her reasons? Tell me.
I do not know. Maybe for her own personal interest. You need to go.
No, Kim, let's talk about this, please.
Agapa, please. You have to leave before anybody comes out and sees you here. You really need to leave. Farewell.
Kim, wait. Not even a warm dress. Kim.
Why are you shouting my name like that? Mirima.
Mirima.
What is it?
What did you tell Akugo?
Exactly what she told you. I asked her to stop seeing you.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you try to put thunder between Akugo and I? How dare you? Do you know how long it took me to build the relationship?
Leave her! What is the problem? You want to kill your sister? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Mama, warn this stupid girl. Warn her. I asked her why she wants me to stop seeing Akugo. She refused to tell me. As if that's what not enough. She still went ahead and warned her to stop seeing me. Is she mad? No, let me ask you, are you mad? Do you know the energy and time it took me to win her heart?
But that was not enough reason for you to kill her. You want to kill her?
Mama, want this stupid girl. Else, I'll do to her what this whole community will hear of it and tremble.
You will not kill my daughter.
Animal.
You will not kill her for me. Sorry. Agaba! 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 You hurt me because of another maiden. Because I am trying to save your life. You will live and face the consequences of what you have just done now. Agoba, my son, why are you doing this? Why
Why are you trying to bring enmity between you and your sister? Your only sister. I only have both of you. Only. Why are you doing this?
Mama, I don't care if she becomes my enemy. Yes. Tell your daughter to keep her distance between my Aqua and I. She's my life. And I don't joke with her. I don't.
But she's your only sister. Eh? I don't want problem here. The only thing I want is peace.
My prince, Agaba, who has been the only obstacle between you and my sister, news has reached me that they are no more in good terms. My prince, it is now clear that you are now the favorite.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Indeed. My prince, I would want you to push further this time around. Push harder. And she will be yours. I promise you.
Ekene,
my prince,
you have spoken well. You are doing very well.
Thank you, my prince.
And I promise to do my own part. Like I promised you before, I am going to make you a successful young man in this kingdom. I am going to change your status and lift you above rejection.
My prince, I will do whatever that pleases you.
Oh, Agaba, come here! Agaba! Agaba! So sweet!
Okay. I will teach you how to swim today.
Fire! 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 Fire!
But the water is not hot now.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Fire! The water is not hot now.
Fire! 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 Fire is burning all over my body. Oh! Fire!
Mama. Mama, this is delicious. Did you prepare it?
I prepared it specially for you.
Ah, thank you, Mama.
You like it, right?
I love it. I love it.
What is it? Here. Drink water.
Thank you, Mama.
Sorry. What is it? Sorry. Are you still coughing? What is the problem? What is the problem?
I don't know, Mama. My throat is burning me down to my stomach, Mama. It's as if my stomach is on fire.
Was it burning you before now?
No, Mama. The moment I drank the water.
Sorry. But nothing is wrong with this water. I've been drinking it.
Mama, I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know. Since today, I went to the river with my friend Ibe. We were just enjoying the coldness of the river, Mama. My friend Ibe jumped into the river. He jumped into the river. When it got to my own turn, Mama, the moment I jumped into the river, Mama, my whole body was on fire. Then immediately I jumped out from the water. The remnants of the water was still burning me to the moment Ibe cleaned it off from my body, Mama. That was when it stopped. I don't know what is happening to me. I don't know.
Mirima, are you hearing what your brother is complaining of?
Nobody should get me involved in this, so nobody should try it.
So, no. Which of the rivers did you go to swim?
Yoba, Mama.
But this water was fetched from Iwoji River. And you went to Ihioba to swim. How come? Had it been that it's the same river, I would have said that your spirit is not at peace with the goddess of the river. But now, there's different rivers. What is the problem?
I don't know, Mama. I don't know.
Sorry. 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 Mirima, what are you doing there? You have not suggested or said anything since this thing started. What is wrong with you?
Mama, am I a herbalist? You people should leave me alone now. What is all this?
Yeah. That is your brother. Won't you help out? Oh, yeah, come and carry this thing off. Mirima! Mirima!
Mama, leave me alone.
Sorry, you will be fine.
Thank you, Mama.
You'll be fine.
Ibeme!
Ibeme.
What is it?
I think you need water. Let me get you some water.
No. Get me palm wine.
No, water will solve it. Wait.
My good friend, get me palm wine, no. Is that palm wine?
No, it's water.
Get me palm wine.
Drink water first.
Bam. Get me palm wine. Get me palm wine.
Agaba, this is unlike you.
Ibeme. Yeah.
Agaba, wait.
Give it to me.
Agaba. Can you take it easy?
Thank you. Thank you, my good friend.
You are coughing like someone that have a contagious disease. Agaba, what is really wrong with you?
My good
Look at how we are coughing.
My good friend, do you know that since that yesterday we went to the stream, I started having that burning sensation all over my body. Each time I drink water, I'll be having the same burning sensation all over my body till I'll vomit out the water.
How?
I don't know.
When have water become poison?
I've been asking myself the same question. I'm so confused.
Agaba, this is not ordinary, but we will find a solution to this problem.
My good friend, where do we find a solution? Because palm wine cannot do the work of water.
I don't have anywhere in mind, but we must find a solution to this problem.
Yes. But as for now, you will be drinking palm wine.
Yes, please.
Anytime you feel like you are thirsty.
Get me more palm wine. Biko. More palm wine. Go.
It's still remaining.
No, it's finished. Go get. Once again, I have come with all of these to remind you how much your daughter matters to me. If you make your daughter marry me, I shall make life a bed of roses to you.
Thank you very much, my prince. As a matter of fact, no one chooses poverty over riches and wealth. The truth is that any maiden that rejects you does not know good thing. As nada arapu ebe a na-echi ụzọ jibe ebe a na-arụ agwụ. Enwere ihe nketa dị ebe anwa. That is the truth.
Mama, you have spoken so well. My prince, I have never seen a man as noble as you are. And I beat my chest saying this. That you, my prince, must become the husband to my sister, Akugo. Come rain, come sunshine. I mean, is there any maiden in her right senses that would reject a man of your caliber?
Because he gives cheerfully.
You are a cheerful giver.
I will be glad if you did.
My prince, I swear by the gods, on my honor, I will ensure Akugo, my daughter, becomes your bride. You truly love her, and I'm willing to give her to you to wife.
Definitely.
Very well done. Thank you so much. I shall take my leave now.
Farewell, my prince.
Farewell, my prince.
You both.
Mama?
This is serious.
Yes, it is. Mama, you have to talk to Akugo.
Of course I will.
Because if she rejects the prince one more time, I might turn to an enemy to her.
Don't worry about it. Don't talk like that. I will speak to her.
Good.
My beautiful wife, I am now drinking palm wine because palm wine is better than any other liquid.
Papa,
Hmm?
when did you become like this?
Huh?
When did you become a drunkard?
The gods said that I should be drinking palm wine. My beautiful wife, do you want some? you get drink. Why? Okay. Come back. Why are you running? Come back and sing.
Mama, look at this goat. This is a very big he-goat. Can't you perceive the smell? That real he-goat. This is a real he-goat, Mama.
And for the prince to have given us this goat, it means he has a heart of gold.
He's a giver.
He means well for us.
Aye.
And I cannot wait to be his mother-in-law.
Same here.
Huh?
I just...
Ha! Asamu! Hey!
Well done, yeah?
Give me that in this.
Well done.
Let me put it in. Welcome back. I would have. Asamu! Ugebo Mwana eh? Mama, see this goat, this he-goat, and this other gift. That was what the prince brought for us. It means the prince has a heart of gold. Hey, he's so kind-hearted.
My beautiful sister, Akugo. You have to get married to the prince. He deserves you. You know, and you also deserve him. If you get married to the prince, do you know what this means? It simply means that poverty has also left our household forever and ever.
Time. Poverty won't come again. My child, have you ever imagined the kind of enjoyment what you stand to gain once you become the queen of this kingdom? Your fellow maidens will fall at your feet to reverence you.
You'll be envious.
And for the prince who have given us all this gift, it means he will be able to take care of you. And it also means that he loves you so much from the bottom of his heart. I am begging you by the name of the gods, please accept him and marry him. Because I cannot wait to be his mother. And I want to be a queen mother. Asam.
I'll think about it.
Mama. Ugebo yibo. Omoma asaru. Hey. And then the see how your face is looking so smooth and radiant.
You are so beautiful. See, I have never seen a creature in this world as beautiful as you, including animals, spirits. You are the most beautiful maiden.
I said I'll think about it. There is no guarantee.
No, the gods will guarantee it. And by the grace of the gods, it will end well. I trust it will end well.
The gods will perfect it.
It's okay, my daughter. Thank you so much for bringing the water home.
Do you need some help? Huh?
Asama. Hey! Hey!
Mirima.
Yes, Mama.
Honestly, I don't understand you. Why are you less concerned towards your brother's predicament? You know he left here in a bad condition. You don't even care. You are less concerned about his welfare. You don't want to know whether he is alive or not. Have you forgotten he's your only brother? That he is my only son? I just have only both of you. What?
Mama, since the gods said that I should be drinking palm wine, I've decided to be drinking palm wine. As a matter of fact, Mama, palm wine is better than water. Yes, I can testify.
Agaba, you now drink to super? Behaving like a drunk? What is wrong with you?
Mama, if the desirable is not available, palm wine is available right now, Mama. Palm wine is my friend. Mama, my friend Ibeme gave me this palm wine, but I've consumed it.
Why are you doing this to yourself? Why?
Mama, I am very fine, no. Oh, wait, Mama, you people think I would die because I can't drink water? I have palm wine, Mama. Mama, if you don't have anything useful to do with your time, come and sing for me. Yes, I have a new song, Mama. Agaba, agaba, agaba.
Hey, Nikos, what did I do to deserve this? What?
Mama, don't blame the gods, so go and get me palm wine. I've consumed the palm wine today.
Have you seen it? Have you seen your brother?
Mama, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
What my body is doing is like I'm going to fall sick.
Honey, please don't. We don't need that now. Should I go and see the medicine man?
I don't want to drink any herb.
Hugo. Mama, greetings. Kim, I brought you this.
Agaba,
Hey.
what happened to you?
Mama, do you have palm wine at home?
Am I a man? Do I tap palm wine?
Kim, do you have palm wine? I'm thirsty.
What happened to you?
But give him water. Water will quench your thirst.
Mama, I don't need water. I need palm wine. Give me palm wine, Mama. Give me palm wine. I need palm wine, Mama. Give me palm wine.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Why would you pour hot water on him?
Why did you pour hot water on him?
Fire! Hey!
Why would you do that?
It is not hot water. Have a feel of it now.
It is cold.
So why is it hot on his body? I just wonder what you're doing with this young man. Of all the young men in this kingdom, you chose this drunk. You see how drunk he was when he came here?
You almost made me look stupid. Don't you know that foolish man is now a drunkard? Everybody knows he's not normal.
Maybe they'll be drinking together. Instead of asking for water, he's asking for palm wine. Now you have become a palm wine tapper. All of a sudden, because of one stupid young man. He gave you grass cutter, therefore you want to die for him. Go ahead. Then go in chimbo.
That is a madman now. He's a madman. Madness.
Must you pour water on him?
Throat down to my stomach, Mama. Fire, fire.
Shimo! Minima! Minima, come and help your brother! Come and help me too. Come and help me. What is it?
Fire.
Hey!
Fire.
Minima! Minima! Where are you going? Hey! Sorry, now. Hey, God. My God.
Agaba.
Thank the gods you are here.
No. What happened to him?
I don't know. I was at the backyard. I heard him coughing. So I came here. I just met him this way.
I was even coming to take him to a seer that will reveal to us what's wrong with him.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Let us carry him and go there.
Please, let's go.
Help me.
I hear a voice of a young maiden by the riverside, laying a curse on him. The voice sounds angry and offended. I heard her saying that this young man can never be at peace with the water. This is where his problem is coming from.
Thank you. Thank you, Bokerepo. Thank you. What is the solution now? What do we do?
Let him go and apologize to the young maiden he offended, and she will lift the curse which she cast on him.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you, wise one.
My son. I want you to check very well. Think. Did you offend any young maiden? Check very well.
Mama. Mama. I've been thinking. But I can't remember offending or hurting any young maiden from this kingdom. The only maiden I had a clash with was my sister.
Okay.
But Mama, I know that my own sister cannot cast such a dangerous spell on me, Mama. It's impossible, Mama.
I reason same way too. Mirima cannot do such a thing to you.
Let us not conclude. She might cast the curse on you out of annoyance. Let us not conclude yet. Because you can't trust no one.
Mama, the seer said that a young maiden whom your brother offended was the one that cast that spell on him. I now remember that both of you recently had a loggerhead, which he hurt you so much. And since then, you've been keeping malice with him, with your less concerned attitude towards his predicament. I think you are the one the great seer revealed to us.
Yes, Mama.
What?
Yes, Mama. I was the one who cast the spell on him. But I didn't cast the spell on him to take away his breath. I casted the spell on him to make him suffer and wishes to die.
Mirima, why would you? Why would you do a thing like that? Why would you cast a spell on your only sibling, your only brother, just the two of you? Where is this coming from?
Mama, he went as far as hurting me. I had to go further to pay him back. Of course, to satisfy my anger.
Mirima, you must undo that spell.
Undo what, Mama?
The spell. You must! You cannot allow your brother, your only sibling, to go on suffering like that.
I will undo it on 2 conditions.
What are the 2 conditions? Undo. Undo.
I'm very thirsty. Very thirsty.
Mama, like I said, he has to apologize to me for hurting me so much. Secondly, he will vow not to have anything to do with Apugo in this life.
Mama, I will apologize to her for hurting her so much. But for me to end my relationship with the love of my life, that one is impossible, Mama. I will not do that.
You will not do that?
Yes.
Look, you love her so much more than your life.
Yes.
You love her so much more than your life.
Mama.
Look, I didn't cast the spell on you to kill you. I casted the spell on you for you to suffer and wishes to die. Since you have decided not to cut Apugo off from your life, it's better you remain like this.
Mama, I'd rather die than for me to cut off Apugo.
May the gods forbid.
Mama, my life will be meaningless without her in it. Ever since she came into my life, Mama, I now realize that every single breath that I've been taking seems like it was a waste on me. Mama, Mbao.
Mirima.
Mama!
I suggest you lift up the spell.
Hey, Beme. What is really going on? I miss Agaba, your friend. But he has been behaving strange. I cannot go and see him for 1 or 2 reasons. The other day I saw him on the road and he was drunk with a quart of palm wine. He was acting so strange, and when he came to my house, my brother Ekene angrily poured water on him and he was screaming that it was burning. Fire, fire, fire. Why the water was not hot? What is going on?
Apugo, my friend Agaba is not a drunk. And he's not the kind of person that hurts a woman. It all started...
Oh, Agaba, come here! Agaba! Agaba! So sweet! I will teach you how to swim today. was that?
Fire! 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 Fire!
But the water is not hot now.
Fire! Fire!
Fire!
Fire!
The water is not hot now.
Fire! 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 Fire is burning all over my body.
So since then, each time he drink water, he will vomit it. So I now advise him not to take anything water again, that he should take palm wine in the place of water. So that...
I never knew. I never knew that this is what Agaba has been passing through. I never knew.
Even earlier this day, he collapsed. I took him to Bokrepo Shrine, a powerful native doctor. When Bokrepo consulted his oracle, and he told me that Agaba offended a maiden, and he need to apologize to the maiden that casted the spell on him. And yeah, and don't know the maiden. So this is what we have been passing through since all this while.
Ebube, thank you for this information. I did not know that this is what Agaba has been passing through. But I cannot go and see him, so I will be hearing information from him through you. Please help me.
That one is not a problem. He's my very good friend. You can't tell me on that. Oh, my baby man.
I shall go now.
No problem.
How could be the maiden that cast a spell on him? I have to find that out. I have to find out who did that. It's sad to know that you cast that dangerous spell on your brother. Mirima, is this how heartless you are?
It's all about you. You are the seed of discord in this contents. If you don't stay off my brother's path, I will make life miserable for you. Try me.
You better undo that spell you cast on him.
Undo what?
Undo the spell, else!
Else what? Else what will happen?
I won't do it myself.
Apugo, don't dare me. Apugo, don't dare me. If you dare it, I will destroy you. Try and see.
She's a python queen.
Mama. Good news, Mama.
What is it?
Do you know what is his name? Oh, Agaba. No, not the Prince Agaba. I heard that he is very sick.
No. May the God save him. May they show him mercy. May nothing bad happen to him.
How, Mama?
He's a young man. A promising young man. He should not be cut down in his youth.
From me, Mama, I heard that he's very sick and I am suspecting that he's going to die. And if he dies, the better for me.
May the God forbid.
The better for us.
He must not die. Why will it be better for us?
Mama, do you not know that Agaba is the stumbling block, the only stumbling block between us and the royal family?
No. Even at that, he should not die. Even if he's the one stopping us stopping my daughter from getting married to the prince. No problem. My son,
At no point will you wish any man dead. Because in this life, what you sow is what you reap.
I am not killing him. He is going to die of the illness.
Isn't that that? You must not pray for him to die of the illness.
Mama, I thought we were on the same...
We are on the same side. But you must always wish every man well.
Is he...
It's not a stumbling block to you.
Mama, I should wish him well.
Yes?
When he is not wishing us well?
It is not his fault. The heart follows who or she wants.
Why are you the one saying this thing?
Girl. Yes, I want to be the prince, the in-law to the prince. My daughter will soon become the queen if the king eventually joins his ancestors, but not at the expense of someone else's child dying.
Mama, this is already settled. I am now friends with the royal family. You are now the queen mother. Don't stop giving the buts.
Therefore, somebody should die because of that.
Am I killing him?
But did you know you're a stumbling block to someone?
Mama, are we together or...
Ekene, you are a child. A child will always talk like a child.
I'm a child.
Of course you are.
I thought we were together. I thought we were together, but now it seems... No problem. About the good news now, you like it to spoil my mood.
I want to be the queen mother, but I don't want anybody to die because of that.
My son, you see, I have been waiting for you to present your new bride to me, but I have not seen one. What is holding you?
Do not worry yourself so much, Father. I am working towards it. Very soon, I am going to bring my bride home.
Good. In everything one does, time is very, very important. Because time waits for no one. You have to be fast enough. Present your new bride to me and let me see her. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Father, I understand.
Good.
I understand your point.
Good. Good.
I am trying to take my time because I do not want to make another mistake like I made before.
That's okay.
I'll take my leave now.
It is well, what's up? Take care of yourself.
Ekene, what is going on? What is going on? The Ofala festival is speedily approaching, and my father, the king, is on my neck for me to present to him my bride. Why is Akugoya's sister dragging her feet in giving us feedback? Why is she delaying to do the needful?
My prince, I sincerely apologize for the delay. The only reason for my sister's delay is but one man. His name is Agaba. He has been the reason my sister has been so slow in giving a response. That is it, my prince.
No one stands in my path of success. Whosoever that seems to be a cog in my wheel of success, I shall separate his head from his shoulders. If truly Agaba is the reason your sister Akugo is not looking my path, then I have no other option but to spill his blood and send his dead body to the hungry vultures to feed on.
My prince, the so-called Agaba, the news reached me that he is very sick from a very deadly disease. And I believe in no time he will be dead. So I see no reason why we should stain our hands with blood. For once he is dead from that deadly disease, my sister Akugo will all be yours alone.
Good news. Good news. But we must not wait till eternity. We must not wait until he dies of the deadly disease, for there is no more time on my side. If he does not die anytime soon, then the duty is ours to help him die quickly.
My prince, if I may advise, patience, please.
There is no more time. We must do the needful.
I will. My prince, I will be on my way.
Farewell.
Thank you, my prince.
My son.
Mama.
Is it not better you do what your sister asked you to do? Forget about Apugo. Get well first. Because don't be stubborn.
Mama, if loving her is my grave, then I'm ready to meet my grave, Mama. I can't forget about her. My life will be meaningless without her, Mama. Mama.
Why is it you don't want to listen to me? Eh?
Mama, my chest is hurting me, Mama.
You don't want to listen to me?
Mama.
Hold on.
Mama.
Let me get water. Just get water.
Mama, no water. Give me palm wine.
Akaba, as you drink these herbs, I am preparing for you. You shall be well again by the gods. He say,
The mixture of human and spirit. She's dangerous. She's a python in human form, and nobody knows.
Greetings, Ibrahim.
Greetings, Apu. How are you?
I am fine. I have come here with a herb. Please give it to Agaba to drink and wash his head with. I promise you he will be fine.
I pray to the gods to make the herb to be effective on him so that he will be back on his feet again.
He say, Thank you.
Thank you.
Please make sure he drinks it.
No problem. I will make sure.
And so dangerous. She's a python queen. All I hear, the mixture of
gods. Please, this is my only son. Heal him for me. Let nothing happen to him. I don't have any other person, please. Whatever it is that he has done or that I have done that is affecting him, the gods, please, forgive and heal my only son. Biko. Biko.
How is he feeling?
My son, look at him. He is just like that. Nothing is happening.
Let's give him this herb. I think he'll be fine. Agaba ngokike. Ngangolong. Ngopo.
Baba.
What is it? Okay. What?
Agaba.
What is it?
Stop it.
Agaba. Agaba. Ibeme, what did you give to my son? What did you give to him?
Agaba! Hey!
Agaba!
Chimo! Chimo! Here goes Mukura Johnny Sugar! Hey! Hey! Chimo! Hey! Remember, what did you give to my son? What did you give to my son? Because why did you do this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Here goes Mukura Johnny Sugar! Chima!
Agaba, you will not die. You shall live. The spell casted on you will not kill you. You shall stand up to your feet again. It is not yet time for you to join your ancestors. You shall be alive. You will not die. This I ask by the gods. You say,
what did you do to my son?
Nothing.
What did you do to my
Nothing.
son? Who sent you to kill my son? Johnny Sugar. What did you do to my son?
Nothing.
What did you do to my
Nothing.
son? Who sent you to kill my son? Hey! Chimo!
I swear by the gods.
Chimo! Agaba.
Thanks to the gods.
Mama,
Mama, I need water.
Water?
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
Thanks to the gods of our land.
Water.
Give me water.
Water.
I'm very thirsty, Mama. Please, I need water. Give me water.
Get water in there.
I'm very thirsty. Water. Get
She's
me water.
coming. She's cautious.
Bring more water.
Get some water.
You finished it?
Get more.
Hey!
How you feeling
May the
now?
gods be praised. Ibeme, thank you very much.
There's not me.
More water, Mama.
It's Apugo.
Apugo?
Apugo gave me this herb.
Ibe.
To give him.
Ibe. You mean my Apugo?
Apugo, the one you know.
Hey, may the gods be
She's
praised.
the one that gave me the herb.
Hey.
Please help me to stand.
You don't want to be
Why
careful. I got why you
Mama, I need to see her now. I'll be back.
Should I come with you?
No,
No, you know what? Get me apple. I've done a great work.
you really tried. Sit down.
Hi! I feel like to drink this remaining herb.
Where is she?
no, you called me.
Yes, I called you. Sit. You said we should give you time to think about Prince Omenako's marriage proposal. And I'm thinking, are you not through with the thinking? Are you still thinking about it?
Yes.
You're supposed to have come up with an answer by now.
I have not, because I am still thinking about it. I have not made up my mind yet.
We don't have time on our side.
I need more time.
How much time do you need? How much time? Huh? Do you want to use your entire lifetime to think about it?
No, please, I don't know what Ekene is saying. You asked me to think about it, and I said I need time to think about it.
You cannot keep the prince waiting. You cannot. Who are you?
Can you calm down? Stop it.
Say something positive now.
If the prince cannot wait for me, then he should look for another maiden and get married too. As for me, I am still thinking about it, and he should wait for me if he really wants me.
You cannot keep the prince.
And it will take you eternity to say it.
No, I have said my mind. If the prince cannot wait, he should go look for someone else.
Okay.
Agaba, you are healed.
Yes, I am healed. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you.
All thanks to the gods.
All thanks to the gods. Thank you. Thank you.
All thanks to the gods.
Yeah. Thanks to the gods. Greetings, Mama. Ikene, greetings.
Come and sit. Sit down.
Sit where? No, leave. Keep standing. Move.
Thank you, Kim. My mother will be so happy to see you.
I know, but I will have to stop here. I cannot see you off to your house because of your sister.
Nkem, look, I am the man of the house. My sister cannot decide what or what not to do. Please come with me so that my mother can appreciate you.
I know. I will come to see your mother later. But for now, I have to stop here. I cannot see your sister.
It's okay, I understand. Farewell.
Farewell.
How dare you, Akugo?
Marima, what is this? Why are you standing in my way?
I warned you not to heal him. And you went ahead and healed him. How dare you?
I love him. And I cannot watch him get hurt and do nothing about it.
Lies! You healed him so that you will marry him and sacrifice his blood. Today, I will show you why water is the strongest force.
Why don't you do that which you have always wanted to do? I thought you said you would do your worst. Is this your worst? Is this all you can do? Huh?
You called us.
You know, I said that I would think about my marriage proposal.
Hey! I know you're going to make me proud. I know you're going to make us royalties. I know you are my only hope.
Please stop with the flattery.
What is it?
I have made up my mind.
To marry him, right?
And I am still not going to marry the prince. I do not want to marry him, and I will not. Nobody is going to force me into marrying him.
How could you do this to me? We have all streamlined our hearts to become royalties. Why will you disappoint me like this? What did I ever do wrong to you? Other women, their children, their daughters will make them so proud.
Nobody is going to talk me into marrying the prince. I have made up my mind. And I will not go back on it. And please, both of you, do not call me about this matter again.
I knew you were going to say this thing. I knew it, Mama. I knew it. I knew it. Mama, can you imagine? So she was using the prince as her own backup plan. The moment that useless, foolish, good-for-nothing Agaba came back to life, she abandoned the marriage preparations she had with the prince and went back to that useless man. Mama, you have to do something because we cannot lose.
Something like what? Kill myself? Mama, I am devastated now. I don't even know what to say or do. Because I had already seen myself as the mother-in-law of the prince, the king-to-be. All of a sudden, all hope is dashed.
This girl will not be this foolish. And the both of us will watch her behave this foolish forever. Let me get her.
When the antelope changes its running pattern, the hunters changes their shooting pattern. Since the boy survived it and returned back to his feet, we have no option but to kill him and send his dead bodies to the hungry vultures to feed on.
My prince, there is nothing that you have spoken that is out of point.
In that case, I am going to mobilize you with lots of cowries so that you will mobilize men, capable men that are going to carry out these assignments.
I am at your service, my prince.
Very well done.
Queen Mother, Afugo is stepping on my toes. She is all over my brother, the only son in our family. She is planning to marry him and sacrifice his blood. Queen Mother, please! I am not happy. Because if anything happens to my brother, my father's lineage will be gone. Please, help me to talk to her, please.
Keep quiet! Mirima! You have no right to tell Apugo whom to marry or whom not to marry. Everyone has their sacrificial lamb. If a brother falls into that trap, you cannot do anything about it because it is our tradition. Your complaint is unacceptable.
Long live Queen Mother.
It shall be well with you all.
Get him!
Snake!
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 How did you know I was here?
Keep away from evil like Ine. It does not pay. Let's go home.
Help me.
If any man would ayo, she's a python queen. She's so powerful.
My prince, we were chasing him. At a point I saw him hiding in the bush. I was with a knife. As I was approaching him to strike, out of nowhere a snake bit my right leg and I fell to the ground.
Oh, the gods. What? What kind of snake was that? Where on earth did it come from?
My prince, in my entire existence, I have never seen such a huge snake before. I only hear about them in fairy tales and folklores. My prince, this snake was so venomous. The moment it struck me, I fell to the ground. I was almost dying until my sister came and saved me. It happened so mysteriously, I can't even tell.
This is so strange. So mysterious.
It is, my prince.
What do we do now? What should be our next step? What is the way forward?
I have an idea. I think we have to re-strategize.
Mama, those men would have killed me. They would have killed me if not for the snake that appeared and started killing them one after the other. They would have killed me.
My son, your hands are clean. That is why the gods intervened for you.
Oh,
using the snake as a point of contact.
May the gods be praised for saving my life. May the gods be praised for saving my life.
And may the gods keep on fighting for you. Let them fight whoever that is after you. It is well with you, my son.
Thank you, Mama.
It will not be well with anyone that is after this.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, Ibeme. Ibeme, I summoned you here for us to discuss something very important.
I'm all ears, my prince.
Ibeme, I want you to kill your friend, your bosom friend, Agaba.
Agaba?
Ibeme, if you kill him, I'm going to give you 500 pieces of cows. And when I become king, I'm going to give you 10 plots of land and also make you my special advisor. Stop thinking, Ibeme. Go and do what I have asked you to do. You will not regret doing it.
Yes, my prince.
He will make me one of the richest farmers in this kingdom. It is not a bad idea. What am I going to do? He promised to make me one of the richest farmers in this kingdom. It is not a bad idea. But how can I kill my very good friend? But on the other hand, I will be risking the chances of becoming rich if I fail to do what the prince demands of me. What do I do now? Kill my friend and become rich, or spare him and lose my own life?
Agaba. Oh yeah, Dimpa. My very good friend, sorry for wasting your time.
It's okay. Sit.
Wait, I have something for you. Meanwhile, what wasted my time is that I went to check my traps. Let me get one palm wine that I get from Komori this morning.
Wait, palm wine?
Fresh palm wine, Akolo.
Wait, I hope it won't get me drunk like the last time.
It's not going to get you drunk.
I hope I will not get drunk like the other time.
The gods gave us this palm wine to enjoy with. From here to you hear this sound.
I hope it's fresh.
Hey.
I believe you, my good friend.
Oh yeah. I thank the gods for this day. You've been a very good friend for my wife. Look at Snake! 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 Are you okay? Snake put me in spirits. Are you okay? Get my machine. Get my eye! My eye! That's me, my... Agaba! Eye! Eye! Agaba, you here? Are you okay? What is it? Agaba, my eyes is crashing me. What is wrong with your eyes? I can't see. You can't see? Wait, you can't see me? Agaba! You can't see me? What is going on? Can you see me? Open your eyes, open your eyes. Eyes! Can you see me? Agaba, I can't see you. What is happening? You can't see me. Agaba! Get up, get up, get up.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
Your beauty is endearing both to the eyes of man and the gods. May your days be long.
Speak up.
I am here to see the prince.
The prince. Call the prince.
Very well, my princess.
And what is your name?
My name is Ekene.
Son of?
Son to the late Obunka, the great hunter.
Are you from this kingdom?
Yes, I am.
But I've not seen you before.
My princess, I am on the reserved side.
Reserved side?
Yes, my princess.
I just hope you're here for good.
Yes, I am.
My beautiful sister. The most beautiful princess of the universe.
You can say that again.
Thank you very much. You may leave.
Greetings, my prince. My prince.
What's going on?
My prince. It has happened again. It has happened again, my prince.
What is that?
Ibeme, the man I contracted for the job, he told me that they were about to drink from their various gog of palm wine, him and Agaba. As I told him, Agaba's gog of palm wine was already poisoned. While they were about to drink from their calabash, Ibeme told me that out of nowhere, a very mighty snake appeared. The both of them scampered for their safety, but Ibeme was so unlucky that the giant snake spat into his eyes and he immediately got blind.
Oh, the gods. What? The snake again? What's the snake all about? What does it actually represent? Where on earth does it come from?
My prince, there are two ways to this. It is either Agaba is an evil man and he possesses some evil forces that are guiding him, or he belongs to an evil court that are constantly defending him whenever he's in trouble. My prince, if you ask me, I think he's indestructible.
No! No! I disagree with you. He cannot be indestructible. He cannot! As a matter of fact, it will take me little or nothing to destroy him. No one stops me from having Akugo as my bride. Not even that low life.
You are right, my prince.
Apugo! What are you waiting for? You are now in your prime. You are expected to sacrifice your groom. We are waiting for your sacrifice.
Yes, Queen Mother.
My son.
Mama.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes, Mama, please sit.
Is everything okay?
Yes, Mama, everything is okay. I have something very important to discuss with you.
I'm all ears.
Mama, I'm ready to go and pay her diary.
Apugo.
Yes, Mama.
You have to discuss it with her first.
No, Mama, I have. And she gave me a consign to do that. She asked me to come and see her people.
Wow! That's a good news.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm happy for you, son.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
In that case, you need to see your uncle so that he will guide you.
Yes, that's true, Mama. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't even think of that, Mama. Thank you. Mama, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate. Thank you, Mama.
That's the joy of motherhood.
Thank you, Mama. I'll be on my way to see Uncle.
It's okay.
Thank you, Mama. I'll be right back, Mama.
That's the joy of motherhood.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, that's a good news.
Queen Mother, I present to you this great sacrifice of Agaba.
Apugo, you have done noble, and you will be greatly rewarded.
No, please. Please don't kill him, please. He is my only brother. Please don't kill him. My mother, please. Don't kill him, please. He is my only brother, please. Please, my friend.
Shut up, my
man, please. I beg.
Unless you want to die with him.
No.
No!
How will I sit and watch my own brother fall victim of this cruel system of ours? If I talk to him, he wouldn't listen. What am I going to do now?
Ne Agaba. Ne.
What is it?
Ne Agaba. Ne.
What?
Agaba was kidnapped by some men.
Where? When? Mama. How?
Today, I saw them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mama, we need to report this to the king now. Let's hurry.
Where did this say it happen? Where?
Your Majesty, my son was kidnapped by unknown men.
Kidnapped?
Yes, Your Majesty.
When did this happen?
This afternoon, Your Majesty.
This afternoon?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go home. I shall look into it.
Your Majesty, please. Do everything and help me find my son. He is my only son. Please.
Not to worry. Go home. I shall see to it. It's okay.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Just go home. There's nothing one has never heard in this community. Kidnapping.
in my own kingdom.
Who must have kidnapped him? Who did that? I hope it is not what I am thinking.
No matter what it is, no matter what the case may be, I trust the gods of the land will come for his rescue. He didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
The most beautiful one.
My friend. Greetings, my friends.
Greetings. The most beautiful among other maidens in this kingdom.
Oh, my friends. Greetings, my friends.
Greetings. Father.
Son?
Father.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Thank you very much. Son?
Father.
Who is this beautiful maiden?
Her name is Apugo, my new bride.
Oh.
The bone of my bone, the flesh upon my flesh.
This is wonderful. You have actually gotten me a beautiful daughter-in-law.
You can say that again, Father.
May the gods bless you.
You
have gotten me a nice woman as your wife.
You can say that again, Father.
This is good. I like her. This is too much. Please take her in, entertain her, do everything good with her.
Thank you, Father.
Queen Mother, I present to you this fat sacrifice of my groom, Prince Omenuko.
Apugo, you have done well. The sacrifice of the blood is really a fat one. You are hereby lifted with greater rank. Congratulations.
Thank you, Queen Mother.
My beautiful sister, I am so much happy. I appreciate the gods for blessing me with such a beautiful maiden as a bride.
I am so happy for you, my brother. She's so beautiful.
Yes, she is so beautiful. Our traditional marriage is going to be spectacular.
Oh, but I'm jealous. I'm going to miss you. She's so beautiful. What is it?
Gods of our land!
Father! What is
Father, the priest!
The priest!
My priest!
My priest!
My priest!
What is it?
My priest!
What is happening with my son? He fell down and died? My son!
My priest!
Hey! What is wrong with my son? What is happening with my son? What is going on in this kingdom? My son cannot die!
Hey! Akugo, my beautiful sister. Your marriage with the prince is going to be one like never before. Never seen nor heard. Isn't also, Mama?
Of course.
There will be dignitaries in attendance. Successful and wealthy farmers. Successful and wealthy hunters.
Even our cocoa and palm traders.
Everybody will be there.
Those rubber traders, they will come. Because we'll have them all around this kingdom.
Do you know one beautiful great news? Neighboring kingdoms would send in their princes and princesses. I am going to dance out my soul. Smile, my beautiful sister. Eh?
It's going to be my happiest day because that day I am going to be the mother-in-law of the prince.
I will drink and I will drink no more.
Adamu!
Whatever.
Ekene.
What is it? Talk.
What is it? Prince Omeluko is dead.
What?
What are you saying?
Did I hear you well?
It's true. Prince Omeluko is dead.
Are you mad? Are you okay?
You just brought the news. Whose daughter is she? I don't even know whose daughter she is.
See, this could be fake news. We cannot just believe what she said unless we go see for ourselves. I think we should go to the palace and check this news.
The prince can't be dead.
Yes.
Let's go. Hurry up now. You are the... So indeed the prince is dead. Just look at his lifeless body lying down there in the palace. The gods. Why me? Why me? I was at the verge of becoming a successful farmer, a successful hunter, a chief, a rich, wealthy man. So all my efforts in vain? The gods. Why have you forsaken me? My sister would have married him, given birth, and then the prince would have even died. It would have been better. So all the gifts, all the carols, all the promises he made to me, gone. Unrealistic. The gods. Why? Why me? Why me? Are the gods wise? The gods are wise. Oh! But why me?
Miriam, I want us to stop fighting. We are one. We are sisters. I love your brother so much. And I cannot think of hurting him. I will never want to do anything to hurt him. We are sisters in the sisterhood, and each of us have to sacrifice our first groom to the Queen Mother. Then after that, we can live happily ever after with whoever we want. And I wouldn't want that to be Hakapa. I wouldn't want Hakapa to be my first groom. I would never want to sacrifice his blood to the Queen Mother. The thing is, Prince Amenuko is on my neck. He's in desperate need of my acceptance to his proposal. He is so desperate to the extent of he tried to kill Hakapa. I have been the one saving him. I want him to be my first groom. I want to sacrifice his blood to the Queen Mother. I wouldn't want it to be Agaba because I love him so much. But the thing is, how do I do it? How do I accept to marry the prince when Agaba is around? How will he feel about this? I don't know what to do.
Very good idea. But I have to complete it. We have to kidnap my brother and keep him in a safe place where no one can see him. When you must have married the prince and sacrificed his blood, we can release my brother. Then both of you will get married like husband and wife and live happily. How do you see it?
Thank you so much, Mirima. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So we are no longer fighting?
At least my brother is safe now.
Yes, he is.
We are sisters.
Thank you.
Yeah. If any man would do it, ayo, she's a python queen. She's so
Hi, Chimo. Onye kanga akọrọ akụkọ ụwa m. Who will I run to? Who will help me? Ofu mkpọrọ ya ji onye isi ụgwọ. Ofu mkpọrọ nwa nwere, they have kidnapped him. Hey!
Mama, it's okay.
Who will help me, eh?
Mama, please
Chimo!
stop crying.
Who did I offend? Onye can measure her? Who is doing this to me? Onye can tell her Onuji. Onye can read there. Hey!
It's okay, stop crying. I am here for you.
Hey!
Mama.
Mama. Hey!
Mama.
May the gods be praised. May the gods be praised.
Mama.
This is you.
Yes, Mama.
What happened?
Mama, some group of men, they kidnapped me, Mama.
Hey.
But thanks to the gods that I'm back.
May the gods be praised.
Thank you, Mama.
May the gods be praised. My son.
Mama. Mama.
You're welcome, brother.
Thank you. Mama. I missed you all.
We missed you, Mom.
Thanks to the gods that I'm back.
So, my people, ndị be anyị ọ garịla anyị ma n'ụbọchị eke, n'ụbọchị oye, n'ụbọchị afọ, na n'ụbọchị nkwọ. Ọjị agba ise.
Hey, Omakano. That is fruitfulness.
Fruitfulness, by the way. Ekene? Give equal or not now.
No, thank you.
You are welcome, my son. My in-laws, we have had you. Without wasting time, let us go to the ceremony proper. Achalugo, fetch us your daughter now. Fetch us our beautiful daughter.
Oh, no. No, if you can, man.
Onyamana, Onadabananya.
Oh, Kwaruge, your
that was.
Dogum. Come down. Oh,
okay, now.
if you can, Mel. Aqua. Oh, my little chum. Hey, aku gone ya. Asamwa. Mulamu. No. Nay. Here she comes.
Oh, Akugo.
Hey.
Aqua. Akugo. Look at this man here. Do you know them?
Yes, I do.
This young man, he said he wants to marry you. So he has come to seek for your hand in marriage. What do you want us to do? He came with all these things. Do we accept them?
Please accept.
Hey! Who am I to say no? She has accepted you. Thank you. Let us proceed immediately.
Hey. You made my dream come true.
Me too. Yes.
You came? Sit. Let me tell you something. Let's go and do it.
Obin, stop. Stop, I'm not in the mood.
Okay, but we are married as man and wife.
I know, but I'm your wife and I'm here. I am not going anywhere. You have me all to yourself.
Came till when?
We can just play some more and that will be all till
Okay,
I'm ready.
I want it now. Let's go and do it now.
But I said I am not in the mood, please.
Be in the mood now, be cool.
No. In fact.
Okay, wait.
No.
Okay. Okay, unveil the food.
Very well. It's delicious.
Without testing, you already know it's delicious.
Mama.
Mama, give me this big
Mama.
one.
Yes, whatever you say, there is what I'll
Kim,
do.
eat.
No. I am not hungry.
Kim, why? I asked Mama to make this food for you.
I lost my appetite.
Okay, Kim, what do you want to eat? I'll go and prepare it myself for you. Tell me, what do you want to eat?
I will be back.
Why is it that she doesn't want to eat?
Brother, let's eat.
Mirima, there is something about my Ken which I don't understand.
What could that be?
It's over 2 AK market days I got married to her. She doesn't allow me to touch her or make love to her.
Really?
Yes. And again, she barely eats. I keep wondering how she survives without losing weight.
But she eats fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables? I've never seen her eat fruit.
Brother, I have seen her eat fruits and vegetables so many times. As of her not making love to you, I think you should just give her some time. Yes. There are some things my brother complained about you.
What are those things?
He complained you barely eat and you don't like to make love to him. I understand why you don't eat. But you have to start eating something. Even if it's fruit. You have to eat fruit, especially when he's around. So that he'll be comfortable with you. You know he is your husband. I know everything. He doesn't know that part. As of the love making, you know what to do.
Mama, it is very...
Wait, there is something I don't understand. It's over 2 Eke market days now. My trap has never caught any grass cutter. And my files keep missing. What is going on? Bia Nkem, I don't want to believe that you came here with your bad luck.
Agaba, please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I don't understand.
Have you seen it now? How can you speak to her in such manner? Have you seen it? You better go and apologize to her now. You see? She is crying.
Okay. I'm sorry I spoke to you in such unkind manner. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Are you sure you will not say that to me again?
I'll learn how to control my temper. You know I love you.
하지 마. 아니라고. 나 뭐 했어? 진짜 웃기네. 너 아무도 보이나? 거짓말 아니라고. 진짜요. 나 오늘 나오지 마세요. 진짜 화냈어. 알겠어. 내 그러면 당연하지.
Who are you?
Hey.
Akugo, I ask, who are you?
Bim.
Speak!
Bim. Hey.
My son, so many years ago, your mother is in there, and Akugo's mother, Achalu, suffered the same fate. They were childless for a long time. They went to a dangerous date and sought for a child. Each of them made a promise to the date that if a child was given to them, they will initiate the child to the date. The deity blessed each of them with a female child. Your mother gave birth to your sister, Mirima, and Achalugu gave birth to Akugo, your wife.
What?
Yes, your wife, wife. Okay. Yes, your wife, Akubu, and your sister, Mirima, are not ordinary humans. They are half human and half spirit. Your sister, Mirima, is a princess of the sun. Anyone who offends her will automatically have a problem with the water. And your wife, Akubu, is a python queen. The snake that was fighting for you all the time. You were in a trouble. Was her.
Wise one, please. What can I do to save them, please? What can I do to save them, please?
Speak no further, for you are found favor in the eyes of the gods. Inside that basket you are looking at, there is a green leaf tied together. Take it. Once you get to the house, use the green leaf to cut them and make sure that their blood spills. Immediately, they will get themselves. Take it now. Go.
Thank you.
Now go.
Thank you.
Do as I told you.
So you ended up with my brother. You are really a fighter after everything.
When I think about it, I still can't believe it. That I'm with Dikeh. That I'm with Akuba.
I'm so happy for you.
What is it? What is going on?
Silence, Mama. Don't touch them. Don't touch them.
What did you do to them? Where did it go?
What happened?
Mama, what am I doing here?
Both of you were possessed by a dangerous set since you were born.
What?
Yes. With the cut I put into your bodies, thanks to the gods that both of you are now free. You were born half spirit and half human. Thanks to the gods today that both of you are now free. Thanks to the gods. Both of you are now free.
Your daughter has been disconnected from me. You failed the promise you made before me, that your daughter will serve me to the end of time. Now you have broken the promise. You will die.
What should I find for you?
Mama, somehow I knew this topic was going to come up very soon. And I wasn't wrong. Mama, yes, I am going to get myself a wife.
Now you're talking. Have you found one? Or should I help you to find? Is she as beautiful as your sister? Or does she look like you in a way? Maybe she's light-skinned and all that.
Mama, you're making me shy because I haven't even spoken to her yet.
No. She's here. Your mother is here.
Mama.
Queen Mother.
What is it, Mama?
Queen Mother.
Who is Queen Mother?
Dada, she's here.
Who?
She's here.
I can't see anybody.
Please, don't do anything.
Mama, I can't see anybody.
I am sorry.
Mama? 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 Mama, now what is it? Mama, talk to me now. Mama, what is it? Mama, talk to me now. Mama, what is it now? I didn't see. Hey! Mama! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Mama, what is it? Mama, talk to me! Mama, talk to me, Mama! Mama, talk to me now! Mama, talk to me, Mama! Somebody help me! Mama, what is it? Mama, you are okay? Mama, I will do as you wish. I am going to get married today now. Just wake up. Mama.
Yeah, if any man would ayo, she's a python queen. She's so powerful and so dangerous. She's a python queen. The mixture of human and spirit. She's dangerous. She's a python in human form, and nobody knows. She looks like a harmless maiden, but she's dangerous. All am I, a python in human form. She's a python queen. She's so powerful and so dangerous. She's a python.